I cut out a yoga figure on plywood before and I wanted to change it into a acrobat. So this is the 3 parts templates that I created. I already cut it out, and here's the process of one hand painting the man because the other hand has to hold the camera. It's not that easy. I made it black in order to be a better contrast to the background. So here it's finished, and now action on the box. Turns pretty well, but I realized that the hand, the hole where the hand grabs the bar, is not big enough, so I enlarge it a little bit later. But here the action is pretty well, but I found out it's a little bit too big because the wheel that is turning is quite small. So I'm making the hole a bit larger. And back on the bar. Second trial. He's enjoying his new world. Okay, thank you for watching, and come back for more. See you soon.